Hi, sweet angel. I was just sitting here feeling so cozy in my little bubble, and I thought, why not film a little pumping diary for you? Look at my tiny pocket bestie. She's so petite and chic, right? I'm honestly so over the bulky electric ones. This manual pump is my absolute hyper fixation. First, we start with the butterfly whispers. Just tiny, teeny tiny little taps on the handle. Don't even press it all the way. We're just flirting with the flow, waking everything up so gently. Once the first drops start to sparkle, we move to the deep soul squeeze. Instead of being fast, we go super slow. Press it down like you're pressing a flower into a book. Hold it for a heartbeat and then let it breathe. It's all about that slow motion energy. If you feel a bit tired, just switch hands. It's like a mini workout, but make it fashion. And oh my gosh, look, we literally have a whole bottle of stars right here. My body is such a queen for this, I can't even. That's my little routine. Thank you for being here and sharing this sweet moment with me. I hope your day is as bright and lovely as you are. Remember, you're doing amazing and you've got this. Love you to bits.